The Flammable Vapor Sensor, or FVS, is a critical safety device in your Rheem water heater designed to detect dangerous vapors and prevent potential explosions. When the sensor detects flammable vapors, it immediately shuts off the gas supply and puts the water heater into a lockout condition. This is often indicated by 7 flashes on the gas valve. Several factors can cause the FVS to trip. The most common cause is the presence of flammable vapors from household products like paint, gasoline, solvents, or even strong-smelling cleaners. Other causes include moisture or water damage to the sensor, a malfunctioning sensor itself, wiring issues, or problems with the gas valve. Let's look at how to troubleshoot these issues. To troubleshoot a tripping FVS, start by ensuring proper ventilation and removing any potential vapor sources from the area around your water heater. Next, check for any leaks or moisture around the sensor area. Water damage can cause the sensor to malfunction and trip repeatedly. Inspect the wiring connections to the sensor for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Faulty wiring can cause false trips or prevent proper sensor operation. If the sensor continues to trip after these troubleshooting steps, the FVS itself may be faulty and require replacement. This is a job for a qualified technician to ensure proper installation and safety. The reset procedure varies depending on your gas valve type. Each manufacturer has a specific sequence of steps that must be followed precisely. For White Rogers gas valves, start by turning off power to the water heater. Turn the unit back on and the error code will reappear. Within 30 seconds, press and hold both the left and right arrow keys until the green light blinks. Then release the keys. Now comes the critical sequence. Press the temperature adjustment keys in this exact order: left, right, left, 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 right, right. If successful, all lights will come on. For IntelliVent gas valves, turn off power for 10 seconds, then restore power. Within 10 seconds, press both temperature adjust buttons simultaneously. Release the buttons, then within 10 seconds, press both temperature buttons again until the vacation LED stays on steady. This clears the sensor lockout. Honeywell gas valves have a simpler reset procedure. If your water heater has a blower, unplug it for at least 5 seconds, then plug it back in. Within 30 seconds of plugging the blower back in, cycle the temperature control from hot to low 6 times. This completes the reset process. For newer Rheem models, the process is different. Turn the power switch off, then back on, ensuring the temperature dial starts at the low position. Move the temperature dial from low to very hot 7 times. This cycling motion resets the vapor sensor on newer Rheem water heater models. Before attempting any reset procedure, ensure there are no flammable vapors present in the area. If you're unsure about any step or the problem persists, contact a qualified technician for assistance.